What's going on, folks? Hey, today we're working on the Fahr drum mower, and I wanted to just give you a quick update because I know the last time you guys heard about this thing, it was leaking all over the place, and it was bad. I had to go get another mower, so I didn't have time to fix it. Anyway, so tearing into it, which is like extra simple. The shaft here comes off with 4 bolts. Boom. It's way easy to take apart. These mowers are so straightforward. Well, so findings are there were cracks. Basically everywhere that you see welds, there were cracks. And those cracks came from, I believe, when I was mowing that field and the lifter link, the right lifter link for the 3-point on the David Brown, it broke off. There's a video on it. Those who follow my channel, you'll probably remember that. That lifter link broke, and then this mower, basically the drums just dug into the ground, and the whole thing just kind of went all kinds of crazy. And I'm thinking that put the stress on that, which initially started the cracks. And so after that, I serviced it. There's another video on that. If you want to see that, check out my channel. I'm thinking, because I mowed about 7 or 8 acres, I can't remember, after that, and I'm thinking those cracks that initially started after being raised up, set down, raised up, set down, it just, the cracks just grew. So then by the time I got to this field across the street, it was leaking. Anyway, the cracks are fixed. I made the welds good and hot, and I leak tested it. So no leaks whatsoever. So that's good. So I'm going to get this bad boy put back together, oiled up, grease it. I'm going to test it on the tractor, make sure that everything's copacetic, no leaks, make sure it's not getting hot, bearings are good. I checked the seals on the bearings. The seals on the bearings are fine. So that's going to find a new home. I'm going to put it up for sale pretty much right away. I'd probably have it finished up tomorrow, have it for sale on Craigslist. And that is going to help finance a new baler. So I sold my baler yesterday. Normally there's a big old hunk of iron there, so it's gone. And the reason that I did that was because I need a higher capacity baler. I want something that's a little bit newer, something I can get parts for. A New Holland or a John Deere, possibly a Massey Ferguson, like a 124, 128. And I'm considering there's a Heston 4500. That's not an inline baler. It was the baler right before they switched to inline. But I've heard good things about them, so that's something I'm considering too. I'm shopping somewhere in the $3,000 range, and I really can't go any higher than that. I'd love to, but I can't. So buying the Kubota put me in enough debt to where I really shouldn't be taking out any more loans. So I've got $3,000 cash to buy a baler. So if any of you guys have input on what would be good in that price range, you know, it'd be nice to get like a New Holland 310 or something around that era. I'm not really sure, but we'll see what I end up with. I'm eager to get the baler though. It feels really weird not having one here on the property ready to take care of a field if a neighbor says, hey, I got hay to cut. So that's a little bit of an update on what's going on with the mower and with the baler. So again, if you guys have input on something that might be good in the price range that I'm looking for, let me know your experiences, good or bad. I appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Have a good day. Take care.